ndikawa ndizinya stress ndoha kwibira blanti cyangwa nta ingoni jyaho ncoje kwifena singira uwo nakiposhi cyaca mande dimenya tuje vite turya bose genso zira kwibeta ndikawa ndizinya stress ndoha kwibira blanti cyangwa nta ingoni jyaho ncoje kwifena singira uwo nakiposhi cyaca mande dimenya tuje vite turya bose genso zira kwibeta tu NFM
guys are better. Shout out to Jaja, man. Devil.
Yes,
you know
sir.
What I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Shout out to the Jaja, bro.
Yeah. Urumva ukaba ushobora gukora art wenda mu bintu ubaza.
Producer.
Hey, shout out to this beat.
This B, yeah, did a good job too,
boy.
man. Guys,
sure.
shout out to the One Way.
Yeah.
Shout out to the One Way.
Yeah. How about if I tell you artist? Because songs, music.
Okay, go ahead. What's up, my people? How you doing? I hope you do good. And I hope you do fine. But if you not do good, man, or you not do fine, man, don't worry. Still told you, man, tomorrow can be a wonderful day. Because tomorrow is another day. Yo, mumeze gute murakomeye. Nibaze ko mumeze neza. Hama nimba mutameze neza cyane mudakomeye, man, ndababwira ntiyihebe mu bintu byari byo byose bace kuko ni moment. Ejo hashobora kuba heza kuko ejo is another day. Yes, I'm back to African King, man. To Yage Comcast TV, man. Shout out to everyone who do subscribe, man. Umuntu wese yakoze subscribe ndacamushimira cyane. Hama nemutarayikora bro, teza imbere man umuhungu wawe, man. Teza imbere umusore wa African King. Hama to get a vibe to it, man. Yo, what's up? There all the time, all the time, all the day, dog. I just do like this. What's up, America? What's up, Canada? What's up, Australia? What's up, Asia? What's up, Europe? What's up, Africa, motherland, man? What's up, my people? Nibaze ko meze neza, naze ko muguwe neza, man. Muvyo murimwo byose. Yo, I'm back. Hey, yeah. Yo, bereza kamera za Tiago Comcast TV right now. I bring these guys, man. It's your boy. It's your guys. It's your movement, no? You know, it's a movement, man. You know, we should see, you see him, you see everything. Colorado, Antonia, dog.
Big Bird.
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
We here.
I bring it back, Antonia.
We here for
sure.
Yeah.
How you doing, my brother?
Man, I'm doing good, man.
For sure.
Blessings, top of blessings.
Life is
man.
great, huh?
Great, for sure.
For real. Yo, guys, right now, man, we back, man. Right now, bro, we're gonna mix a little bit language, but we're gonna focus in English right now.
For sure.
We're gonna speak in English because we have some other things and like important things we need to talk about. So, yo, we go straight out, man. Brother.
Yes, sir.
Welcome again.
Appreciate you, man. Happy to be here. To Yage Comcast, we here.
For real,
sure.
man. Yeah, man, like you see, man, I'm in another area, man. I'm a new area somewhere, man. I come see Antonia here.
For sure.
Now we are where we at, man?
Hey, we're somewhere. Top secret. We can't tell you too much.
You gotta tell nobody.
Yeah.
Cause always we just do location for private thing.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
Private,
You
sure.
did.
You never know who's watching, man.
For sure. You already know. Yeah, man, we here, man. We still Colorado, man. Colorado, whatever it is,
sir.
Colorado.
Yeah.
Denver, whatever you call it. That's all where we at, man.
Yeah.
We're not gonna tell location, but yeah, you already know. Yeah, you already know, man. Tony.
Yes, sir.
Bro.
Yes, sir.
A lot of things to talk about, man.
Oh yeah. Let's do
sure.
it.
For real, man. Be wrong time not talk to you, bro.
For sure.
Yeah, for sure. First of all, how life going, man?
Oh, life is good. It was my birthday a couple of days ago, but hey, man, been celebrating.
For real.
Hangover, top of hangover, man. But hey, we're here though.
For sure.
Hey, it's another year, another chapter for sure.
Tell you that.
We're still on the same page, but hey, guess what? Different level though. For sure.
For real. Yeah, for real, man. Life go good. Life go great, right?
For sure.
So that's what I can say, man. What about your music, man?
Oh, music, we going, man. We doing a lot of. Hey, you remember I told you you can't tell them what is coming, but there is a lot coming though, for sure.
There's a lot of coming, man.
For
I
sure.
still wait.
Hey, yeah, we have some album coming up. For sure, pretty soon.
Just you
Yeah.
told me last time you told me album coming, man, brother. Yeah.
Hey,
I hope you cook something
man,
great, right?
crazy.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure y'all gonna like it. Y'all
Cause the
gonna
dog
like it.
is tossed right here, man. Dog, we hungry,
For
man.
sure.
We need to eat.
For sure.
You know
We
what I'm
gonna
saying?
eat. We
You
gonna
guys
eat.
are better.
We gonna eat.
Shout out to Jaja, man.
Yes,
Devil.
sir.
You
Yes,
know what I'm
sir.
saying?
Yes, sir.
Shout out to the Jaja, brother.
Shout out to my brother for
Yeah,
sure.
for real, for
All
real.
the
He been in
promotion,
studio,
man.
man. He
All
been
the
in studio. He
promotion.
told me he cooking something. We
Oh,
wear
yeah.
that,
Oh,
bro.
yeah.
We wear that bang.
Oh yeah, I'm glad he was there. We was there when we
Yeah. I see the
he was there.
conversation for him. He
Yeah,
sent me a
yeah,
couple song. He was cooking it.
Oh, for sure.
And the what about, man? What about the song we've been cooking now? It was like a couple
Oh.
days ago.
Oh, yeah,
in
that one
studio.
too.
It was you,
You remember that?
Kim, and
Onesie. Shout out to Onesie.
Yeah, shout out to Onesie,
Shout out to
man.
Onesie, for
Yeah, he
sure.
got a new song, "Bet on My Bed." You
There is
check
a
it,
what
that song?
then? Oh yeah.
My
I did
Bad.
actually. Yeah.
Yeah,
You
my
did good,
bad.
man.
This is good
Yeah,
bang,
my
guys.
brother
Go
doing
check
it.
it out, Onesie,
My
man.
brother
Go
doing
check
it.
it out, Onesie. Don't worry, lose that, guys, man. We have a
No, for
lot
sure.
of talent in Denver, Colorado,
No,
man.
that's for
So you
sure.
guys, do what you do, just support us, man. Yeah, get a views. We don't need much things. Just views, just hear them
That's
music.
the only thing we
share
asking
with your
for.
people. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So let's go to it for which new project coming before beside the album or something?
Oh yeah, there is a project I want to do. It's
Mm-hmm.
gonna be a different artist here in America and African artist
Okay.
in Africa.
Okay.
But I can't say the names for sure.
For sure.
But big names.
Big names. So you
Yeah.
want to start your label like grow up label to Africa, America. Oh, you already have a label in America already, but like
Okay, that
Africa too.
so that okay. Let me talk about it.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, go ahead.
But
man.
yeah, I'm thinking about opening a new label, like a new NFM Africa
For sure.
for sure.
Oh, okay. Africa. So how do you find any guys like?
Yeah, I'm looking around.
You
I'm
still
looking around.
searching
I see some potentials
Yeah.
that we can work with,
Yeah.
and I think we're gonna make it happen for
For
sure.
sure, yo. You guys, if you have a talent, man, Padou, he got you right now, man. Check it out him in
For sure.
with your social media, Instagram. You use it.
NFM Padou.
Yeah, NFM Padou, man. I'm
for sure.
gonna share a link on it for him. If you are talented, yeah, he gonna show you like what's like things has goals.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
For sure.
So yeah, we here to make like to support you, to support you guys and support us, support together to show us like the work we can do is something
No, for
different.
sure. No,
you know
for
what I'm
sure.
saying? Yeah. So okay, man. That's new step, man,
No,
bro.
for sure.
Yeah,
we're
for
trying.
sure.
We're trying.
Keep it up. Keep
We're
it up.
trying. I mean,
it up.
we're doing it.
Yeah, keep it up.
Let me say we're doing
Sure.
it for sure.
Well, beside that, some music. Beside that, let's go talk about lifestyle, man. What you have in new in lifestyle, like normal life, right? Beside music or beside the label you plan to do it, with next step you have to do to forward.
Of course, we nobody wanna wake up at the same place. You know what I'm saying? I
Yeah.
can't get comfortable in one spot. You
For
gotta
sure.
do a lot of stuff. You know,
Mm-hmm.
you can't focus. I mean, yes, you gotta focus in one thing at a time.
Mm-hmm.
But
Yeah.
you still have to be hungry.
Hungry.
You have to be hungry. You have to
Always.
always don't get comfortable in one spot. If you get comfortable in one spot, I mean, you know where you gonna end up at.
Yeah, for
One
sure.
spot for sure.
Mm.
But there is a lot as a human we do besides music for sure.
For sure. Mhm.
Sometimes I mean I can't say you can't live out of music, but sometimes you're not there yet to feel
Okay.
like this is the time for
Mhm.
me to feel like I can't live on the music.
For sure, for real, man. Yeah, man, we still talk to that man, Antonia, man. He from Rwanda, brother. He
Yes,
from
sir.
Barbara right now.
Yes,
He
sir.
did music in America. Yeah, in Colorado,
sir.
Denver, brother. Yeah, man, you got what she say, bro. Yeah, you better watch him, man. What about like what else I'm gonna ask you? I have some things going on
For sure.
about music, man. I know you know a lot of music going on. Couple days ago, like maybe it was like last, maybe last Saturday or something. was some
For sure.
musician in Burundi called Kirikou.
Yeah,
I know
yeah.
urabizi uramuzi
Yeah,
Kirikou.
yeah.
Yagiye ku ndirimbo aja kuri stage umuziki uracika abantu benshi baravuga ko baba bamukatiye umuziki mu gushaka iki bro. Tell me about it, man. I need to know because I see a lot of comment about that things going on. Say all Rwandese they have bad things already. But tell me, you got a lot of experience from music. You know how to sell up a stage. You know how to do. Man, you know a lot of things about music. Tell me, man, what do you think about that situation that happened in Rwanda, man?
First of all, there is what is called news. Abanyamakuru. Abanyamakuru baravuga, so you can't stop them. Like you can't stop them. Like do whatever. That's their job too, you know.
For real.
And that's mostly what sells an artist. Because niba muzaka, and of course, it's trending. Of course, so
trending.
everybody now has to know Kirikou. If somebody did not know him,
For sure.
But if you were there, I'm pretty sure it was different. And I think buri muririmbyi wese byamubaho. Yeni ko byumva. Buri wese byamubaho ntago bavuga ngo especially nko mu Rwanda umururabura.
Yeah. Oh, so you think is like
it can be a technical
something?
Yeah, it can be a technical
something.
Kuri je ntago numva ko nyine
or accident.
Yeah. Abyabayeho babigambiriye. I don't think so.
Kuko ukuntu bari bamwishimiye nawe nabona.
No, I don't think so.
It
But
was
amwishimiye
praised by
Kirikou,
him,
he's a big name, of course, mu Rwanda. Rero ntago numva ko habamo icyo kintu. Kandi ndabizi neza ko nabo abanyarwanda nubwo wenda tuvuge bino bibazo bya politike twebwe ntabwo tuvuye muri politike.
Exactly.
We
don't need to talk about it.
That's for sure.
So
ariko nyine abantu nyine bakabigenderaho wenda abantu batasobanukiwe urumva bakabigenderaho cyangwa se bakavuga Kirikou nibi ariko ntabwo ariko bimeze. Twebwe turakundana bya politike n'ibyanyu.
Kabisa. That's true, man. So you guys should know that technical things can happen, accidents can happen.
Always.
Ntabwo ari no muri mu Rwanda canke whatever, no muri America kunze kuba. So yeah, sometimes you have some show happening today. It was a guy, I forget for him, sure. I forget the name, but yeah, that things happened. The music was like, boom, go for nowhere. I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah,
so a lot of
I have seen a lot of
the people. That things happen.
Yeah,
so
I
don't know if
it's
kuvuga ibintu biri saka begging akaraba what's going on about it. Yeah, we are in a freedom world, people can say anything they want. So yeah, that's good, man. It was an accident, so we can take that. Okay, let's go, man. Right now, man, what you think about Burundi music and the Rwanda music, bro? We not talk about back in the days, we just talk right now. Right now.
Everybody's doing good.
Yeah,
and
sure.
It makes me happy to see everybody doing good because there's a time man abagande baraje baratuzimya
kabisa
twese
kabisa
ariko ubu ngubu ku muganda avuga toke kajya gushaka korabo mu Burundi kajya gushaka korabo mu Rwanda. You see there's a lot of have changed for sure, and I appreciate everybody who had impact cyangwa se itafari yashyize kuri uyu muziki nyarwanda cyangwa se Burundi for sure
kabisa. So n'abapitsa bakora neza they give us different vibe. Bro, what you think about this melody they create right now? Man, ndiko ndumva melody ritandukanye n'Afrobeat right now. They create something different. It's not even Afrobeat. It's not even a piano. It's not even the music we use here, but it's new music,
for sure.
Bro. Zouk.
Yeah.
This melody, what you think, bro?
Creativity in music, it needs to be there.
For sure.
That's for sure because if everybody sounded the same, everybody's gonna get bored listening to one thing. So you have to be creative in anything you do, because that's what makes art. Art nagara kuvuga ngo ni guririmba gusa oya ushaka ku painting urumva ukaba ushaka gukora art wenda mu bintu ubaza ushaka gukora art mu bintu byinshi cyangwa se n'ukuntu bitekerezaho icyo ubukorikori wakora n'ubuye making a art. So kandi kugira ngo iyo art ibe unique igomba kuba itandukanye na ya art ya wundi yakoze. So I think they're doing good.
They're doing good, man. Shout out to all guys, man.
No, for sure.
Our producer.
For sure. Hey, shout out to this beat.
This BA did a good
that's
job
my
too,
boy,
man.
for
Guys,
sure.
shout out to that One Way. Shout out to the One
yeah,
Way.
yeah,
Hey,
Element.
did a good job, man.
Hey, man.
Tell me, man.
Everybody.
Tell me, top like 5 the best 5 song in Burundi for you right now.
How about if I tell you artist? Because songs, music.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah,
Artist. Tell me
there's no
top
artist.
5 artists.
I'll go for Kiku for sure.
Kirikou.
Yeah.
Fast.
I mean, I don't think. Yeah, you can pull first or whatever, but I don't think maybe I can put them like in the numbers. Oh, this is the best. This is the best. No,
you
just 5. I'm naming
Easy
5 artists.
Just pick it up the 5.
Yeah.
We just pick it up 5.
Kiku for sure.
Kirikou, right?
Double J.
Double J.
Nago narenga Kidumu.
Kidumu.
For all the time,
Kibido
for sure.
Kibuganizo.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Nago nabura kuvuga Fizo.
Fizo, big Fizo.
Yeah,
I got a big Fizo.
Hari undi mupeti uriya mujama yitwa gute nibagiye izina rye ariko ndamuzi
yarimbye indirimbo iyihe?
hari indirimbo afite na nijoro I think hari indirimbo nakinagaze
Kazimimana inkunda.
yeah.
That guy's called Fernando, right?
Yeah, Fernando.
Fernando, yeah. So Fernando too.
Shout out to them.
Last one.
Oh, I thought we finished them.
No,
But we still have the
4.
one. We still have one. Okay, Be Fast for sure.
Be Fast.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, you fuck with that nigga too?
Yeah, I fuck
Be
with
Fast,
for
man.
sure.
Yeah, shout out to Diggy's guy. Bro, yo, that's the top 5 in Burundi.
To me though, for me, I don't know how you think, cause
No, I'm saying to you.
yeah, to me.
I don't say to everybody, you know. So, okay. Let's go top 5 to Rwanda.
Rwanda. Okay. For
It's
all
your
time
country know a lot of things, but tell me 5. The people you fuck with.
in Rwanda. For sure.
Yes, sir.
Rwanda music.
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's go. I fuck with Diplomat for sure.
Diplomat.
For sure, shout out to Diplomat.
Yeah, deep bro.
I fuck with Kimozera.
Kimzera. Kimzera.
Jisho ry'uruvu.
Kimzera. Jisho ry'uruvu.
Akaba afite amazina nk'ayishoka. Afite amazina menshi
Kimzera.
cyane. Kimozera, Jisho ry'uruvu, bibero bikira ba.
That's my first time I hear that name, bro. Okay, let's
Brew
go.
Dog for Shisho.
Brew Dog, I know that guy
sure.
too.
Yeah.
That's 3.
No, that's 2 actually.
Oh, that's 2?
Yeah.
Oh.
Nabajije
No, wamanje Diplomat.
Nkurikizaho Jisho ry'uruvu
Jisho-
ari Diplomat. I mean
Ijisho ry'uruvu.
ari we Brew Dog.
Oh, Brew Dog.
Yeah.
Oh, is it there?
Yeah.
Bro,
Yeah.
he got like nickname somewhere.
Yeah, he got a lot of them. He got a lot of them for sure. But yeah.
Damn. Say it again. What does it now?
Ijisho ry'uruvu.
Ijisho ry'uruvu.
Hari irindi ryitwa ngo bibero bikingira nimba ari iki. Imana.
Ibiro bikingira. So you Brew Dog.
Brew Dog.
So
Double
I'm
G.
Diplomat na Brew Dog. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Okay. Hari abapeti nabo buriya ngo Horix. I
Horix.
see him being big.
Wanamukoresha featuring niho mubagira, right?
For
Uramwemera
sure.
full.
Ndamwemera for sure.
Shout out to Horix.
Shout out to Horix. Ntago nasiga Imana y'u Rwanda. Caprio P.
Who?
Caprio P. Imana y'u Rwanda.
I don't know. Imana y'u Rwanda. Okay, damn, bro. That's his new thing. This is a new first time I hear that name. I see his face.
Imana y'u Rwanda rero.
Imana.
Buriya ntago uradamuzi ahubwo buriya nuko utazi n'amazina nyine.
Okay, mbwira izina ryiwe dusanzwe tumenyere tuzi twebwe.
Nuze urabona nanjye rero aya mazina y'ingemba
Imana y'u Rwanda.
aza mu mutwe kubera
ntabwo ari Brew Dog?
ntabwo ari Brew Dog.
Imana y'u Rwanda se.
Bade barapera buze mu Rwanda bade.
Jay Polly.
Jay Polly we rest in peace we asigare legend for all the time. Kubera ko ngo nagakiriho.
I remember this guy who else
Fite yindi ndirimbo now actually.
Oh yeah? That's good. Oh, who is it?
Okay, ababuzi bwo muramuzi. Baramuzi ndabizi.
Baramuzi. Okay, go ahead. Last one.
Last one. Reka tuyihe Ruti Joel.
Yeah. Bro, n'abaririmbyi bose nzi ko bakaze mu Rwanda ko utaje Bruce Melody nawe numvise ba Chris izi ntawe numvise.
Urabona
Davis ni
Reka nguhe urugero.
Davis la numvise
Reka nguhe
peti
urugero.
barakaze man
Barakaze ntago navuze ko badakaze ariko kuri jewe
uyu mupeti yaririmbye Kivumbi
musically
you know what I'm saying
musically hari ukuntu
okay.
hari ukuntu abantu baririmba bitewe n'ukuntu wowe ushobora kumva umuntu icyo ari kuririmba kikagufataho ariko noneho hari ukuntu ugiye numva umuririmbyi bavuga ati okay uyu muniga there is something impamvu rero bano ba Davis D nabashyizemo cyangwa iki urabona hari generation iri kuzamuka ubu ngubu kandi ubona ko hatagize ikintu kibarangaza bagera kure nk'uko wavuga ati giye nubatse inzu ubwo ariko warayubatse ariko none hari undi mwana uri gushaka kubaka iyindi nzu noneho itandukanye
niyo wubatse
so niho vision is
building
yeah.
Okay, right, yeah, man. So mwamvise abantu 10 mu Burundi 5 Antonia n'abantu 5 mu Rwanda. That's good, man. So okay. We go to kone mugenda jugana nawe ku bintu so ngira abantu 5 mu Burundi utemera. Top 5
damn. Wonemera mu Burundi.
Top 5 singers from Burundi you don't like.
Now I gotta kuvuga ngo I don't like them.
No, you go straight up, bro.
It's not like I don't like them. I don't.
You don't
it's
like
just that I can't listen maybe to them like that much.
It's not a diss. You just say, man, you know what? This guy is this.
Burundi ko nta muntu numva mu Burundi.
Ntabo wumva.
Bose
ndabumva. To moving in Burundi. Okay. Burundi nta muntu numwe
bose ndabumva.
Bose urabumva. Ako nta muntu numwe vanga ubo wumva bose umva bameze fresh.
Yeah.
Shout out to Burundi.
Yeah.
Barabemera. So, Rwanda. Let's go 5 people you don't like in Rwanda. Artists 5 like top 5 artists you don't like in Rwanda. Excuse me.
Katurebe.
Excuse.
Ako nabona ndabumva ariko gusa hari abantu bo ntago nyine navuga ngo ngiye gufata umwanya wanjye bakinde mu modoka.
Okay, go ahead.
That's for sure.
Umvanye n'ubuto kumviriza mbese.
Harimo Zero Trap.
Zero Trap.
Agara kuvuga ngo
ndakwanga. You don't like him.
Agara kuvuga ngo ndamwanga. Ahubwo ntabwo ushaka kuvuga ngo ndicaye ngo ngiye gukina indirimbo ze mu modoka yawe.
Ushaka kumviriza izina gira, ushaka kumviriza indirimbo ziwe.
I mean hari umuntu numvishe wenda just nicaye mu modoka y'undi muntu akayikina nayumva.
Zero Trap.
Yeah.
So ushaka no kumusapura muri Spotify man ngo udownload indirimbo yiwe aronke n'amadolari 20.
Nagara kuvuga ngo ndabyanze. Nagara kuvuga ngo ndabyanze gusa sinzi ntago bijya binza mu mutwe.
Okay. Zero Trap, you don't like him. Okay.
Nagara kuvuga ngo ndamwanga ariko.
No, you don't listen to him.
Yeah, I don't listen to bro.
Okay. Go ahead. Next. That's one.
Turebe. Abandi najya numva ni bandis. Burya na G-Tough yabaye umuntu uzerega umuririmbyi.
Who?
G-Tough.
G-Tough? What the fuck?
G-Tough asigaye yarabaye umuririmbyi for sure. Crazy.
Oh, Jesus.
Ariko na G-Tough ntabwo nakumva G-Tough. Ntabwo nakumva. Ariko ndakwemera do.
I thought he's a comedian guy.
Asigaye afite indirimbo yitwa Ndabazaniye imihanda bayitwitse. Ndiba byagenze gute?
He sing his rap.
Yeah, he rap.
Damn, dog. G-Tough.
Yeah.
You can't listen to him. Why not?
I mean,
because
agara kuvuga ngo wenda ntago nshaka kumva crafts ze cyangwa iki urumva ariko
that's crazy.
Yeah.
You can't listen. So G-Tough, Zero Trump. Okay, let's go to it. We still have a 3.
Okay, cool.
Go ahead.
Alright, cool. Let's see. Hari umutipe mu Rwanda. Yakoze akazi kenshi cyane. Kenshi. Ndadabimushimira yashyizeho itafari rikomeye ku muziki nyarwanda. Ariko mbabare ntago nakumva. Uncle Austin. Ntago nakumva.
He can't listen to you, bro.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, you can't listen.
I mean,
he can't listen.
Hari undi nyine uri gukina indirimbo nazumva cyangwa ari muri club cyangwa ari hang bakakina.
Somebody who maybe somebody playing him song.
Ariko to me, yeah.
Who?
Yeah.
Who? Go ahead.
Yogo ntago namwumva reka turebe undi.
Bro, you didn't say name.
No, namuvuza Uncle Austin.
Uncle Austin.
Yeah.
I don't know Uncle Austin. Uncle Austin. I don't know who it is.
I'm pretty sure you know his songs.
Oh, Uncle Stu. Oh, okay, I know that guy too. Okay, go ahead.
Pretty sure
Uncle
he knows
Stu.
his songs. Yeah, for sure.
That nigga's a legend, dog.
He is. No. Don't get me wrong. I gave him his flowers.
Yeah, okay, yeah, you give him credit. Yeah,
Yeah,
I get it.
I
Okay,
did.
go ahead. Uncle, okay.
Let me see one more person that I cannot listen to.
Uh-huh. That's
Kevin Kade.
Kevin Cat.
Ntabwo nakifata ngo ugiye kumva
Why
Kevin
not?
Kade. Ahubwo mfite
Yeah.
na benshi. Kevin Kade, Roskana,
Kevin Cat was kinda Kevin
Kevin Kade,
Kevin
Roskana.
Cat. Why? Why Kevin Cat? Tell me why. Tell me just one reason.
Yes, it's good to
The
be.
his song is nasty or something?
No,
or?
it's good to be different. It's good to be different. I think he's different. Ariko nyine ntago ibyo aririmba agiye numva nyine kuri jyewe wenda ari icyo byamfashaho.
Okay, that's good.
Wenda nyine bo baririmbira abakobwa.
Yeah.
I think njye niko mbibona.
Bakunda abakobwa vya hatari, right?
Ntabwo ari kuvuga bakunda
Sorry,
abakobwa.
bakunda kuririmba indirimbo z'urukundo.
Z'urukundo, yes, I understand. Ntabwo nyine natwe turakunda ariko nyine
I thought
hari ahantu rugarukira.
I thought Kevin called is a Chris Brown on Rwanda, bro.
Probably. Hari abamubona kuri. Probably.
I hear some people say that.
No, for real though, like.
Okay, Kevin called. Okay.
No, hari benshi man,
last
ni
one.
benshi hari.
Vuga uwanyuma rero sasa.
Uwanyuma. Senderi ntabwo nakumva.
Senderi.
Ntabwo nakumva pe.
Senderi ntabwo wamwumva.
I'm sorry,
pe.
ntabwo nakumva.
Damn.
Ariko nyine he's a legend.
Yeah, I remember him. Yeah. Damn, man. So that's so far with people you can
Yeah,
listen
navuga
to.
benshi mu Rwanda.
G-Top.
Ni benshi navuga.
Acoustic. Oh,
Yeah,
God.
yeah.
That's crazy.
Roskana, Kevin Kade. Bose nabaguhaye.
Roskana.
Na ya mano sinakumva.
Damn. Now ya mano, bro.
Ntabwo ngiye nafata umwanya wa. No, ndabizi ibyo ngibyo. Oh yeah, igine. Yewe uko nakubwiye.
Dog.
Hari abantu baririmba. Okay. Nk'ubu Bulldog aririmbye.
Yeah.
Nakumva ibyo ashatse kuvuga ati gute. The street life.
The street life, because you fuck with the street things.
Turi muri street nubwo wenda tutari kuri street ariko nyine ubuzima bwa hano cyangwa se n'ubuzima hari abantu bashaka kurelatinga kuri ibyo bintu kuri ubwo buzima nyine. So I think hari benshi giye nakumva. Ni bake gende numva actually ntabwo njye numva abantu benshi.
Okay. So yeah, that's good, man. That's just good on you, bro. Next time we're gonna go to America.
Let's do it. America have a lot of them.
America. Okay, tell me,
America have a lot of
bro. Tell me about. Is there some people in Colorado? They right now they feel like they is famous, bro. You can't even ask their help, bro. You can't even tell yo play my song. Oh,
Crazy.
bro, support us. I'm talking about. He's just some guy, man. I see that him social media. A lot of people complain about him. I don't know about him. I don't know about him, but I know him about the bad things that people not talk good in a good way about him.
Right.
So is that guy called DJ Vegas? Do you know him, man? Cause this guy, bro, I see a lot of
You
people
really wanna talk
complaining
about
for
this
him.
guy
I wanna,
for real?
cause you are street, you know everything about Colorado more than I do. So do you know the DJ Vegas?
Oh, DJ Vegas, yeah, I do.
Oh shit, yeah. The people he lives. I see him. The Instagram is the people he bring like superstars, man, big artists in Nigeria, something like where
For sure.
bring David, bring like a lot of people, man, a lot
sure.
of people, bro. He bring a lot, right? He's like, he's the people who present like Nigerian. But he from East Africa. He got a lot of people from East Africa, Kenya. He's screaming from Kenya, right? Yeah, he from.
I'm
Kenya.
pretty sure
Even
that's
when
where
you
he
go. He
from.
page your Instagram.
Yeah.
He say he from Kenya, you know.
Yeah.
So he from Kenya. I thought he supposed to support the people because we have a lot of people who do better.
But do
than
you even know what's
than
crazy
people
thing?
like. So tell me, do you know him, lady?
I started all this thing he's doing with him.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good, though. Tell him about him, man. Tell him about him.
We started doing parties.
How he is, bro.
We started doing like shows, bringing people out here and stuff. But you know, as people, we grow. You know.
Yeah.
Everybody, you have to take your own path. Like if you want to be a farmer,
Yeah.
go do it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And if you wake up, you want to go be somebody, engineer or whatever, you
Yeah.
go do it. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So you can't stop nobody to do whatever they want to do. But the thing is,
Mm-hmm.
it's how I can get how you guys can be friends. Like if they say we farmers, right?
Mm.
If it can bring potatoes, you feel me? You bring potatoes, I bring tomatoes.
Mm-hmm.
It can make a meal.
Can make a
If
meal.
we trade,
Mm.
I'm pretty sure you have more. I have more. We can do some. But
Son.
some people they just want to be. I don't know. I don't know what to call it. But to me, I feel like that's how he want, or maybe that's who he is for sure. Cause he's doing is not right.
Mm-hmm.
That's how I feel. Cause like you can't tell me we know each other.
Mm-hmm.
We can put each other on, but you decide to just cause you who you who.
Who you who?
Yeah, you just wanna. Oh yeah, no, them they have to butt down. No, nigga, not me for sure.
So you're not still friends with him anymore? You not work together, guys?
We're not enemies, but
But you not still work together?
no. He doing his thing. He's doing his
Okay.
thing. I'm doing my thing. It's a different thing for sure.
Okay.
But I mean, he do a different thing. I do a different thing. But for sure, I can do some. But I guess some niggas they wanna be having ego in them, so they can't. You know,
For sure.
they want you to kill their ass. And then that's not nothing I can do. That's something I cannot do for shit show.
For real. So, do you think the things he do is good things or is it bad things?
I mean, I hope he can say that I get something out of it. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Sometimes we do this for the love of what we do, for
Okay.
sure. But I hope he makes money out of it, and I hope he gets bigger, for sure.
For sure.
I don't hit on him. That's for sure.
Perfect. All right, cool, man. Yeah, I hate that people complain about him, but yeah, if you not still, but there's nothing you can complain about him. You just you say. You just
No,
tell him,
complaints
do,
it's a
do
lot,
whatever
but-
you do, man. I
Man, do it.
me, you
Stay
do
your
so.
way. Just stay out of my way.
Yeah,
That's
out
the
of
only
my
thing.
way.
Yeah, because
So
if you bound to me, we can crash for sure.
For real. So
For sure.
you guys, man, I'm gonna come back and talk about it. I think you have something going on.
No,
You guys,
maybe that's probably for the next. I mean, for the
next time,
for the next time. For
yeah,
sure.
we're gonna come talk about him that shit. Or
But
you
I don't.
see
I
how-
hate talking about people's names though. You know what I'm saying? Like
Yeah.
yeah. But
Mhm.
hey, fuck it. If that's what you want, fuck it.
Fuck it. For real, damn man. You hear Antonia, man.
Yeah, for sure.
You hear that? If you don't eat what you did, fuck it, dog. Fuck
For
it.
real.
Yeah, because if you not help me, I not help you too. So stay away. I
Yeah,
stay my way.
stay on
Know
my
what I'm
fucking way for
saying?
sure. Cause we can crash for sure.
Yeah, for sure. That's crazy. Yeah, man. So, tell me, after we done this show, what you think you want to say to people trying to kick up gira abantu bawe muri aka kanya mbere yuko turangiza ikiganiro. So,
hari akaboro nabonye I think uyu munsi hari umuntu wakanyohereje umutipe baramubajije ngo urashaka kubwira iki abantu ngo urashaka kugira iki inama abantu ngo jewe ngo nta nama nabagira ahubwo ngo bwebwe mujye kwishakira indangamirwa mujye kwishakira indangamirwa ngo kuko biriya bintu biraryoha cyane njye ntabwo ari byo mbabwiye. Hey, yo, I appreciate y'all, man. Thank you for having me on the camera for sure. Hey, and
You funny,
thank you
man.
for putting up, man.
Ah, man.
Thank you for putting up.
That is a good thing, bro. Yeah. He told you, take me to go watch yourself, dog. I'm not gonna devise you. You have to devise yourself. That's crazy, dog. Appreciate Antonia, man. Appreciate you, bro.
Hey, man. Thank you for having me, man.
Yeah, I think, man, appreciate you guys. We just talk just less things. We're not talking about things.
Nah,
We just
for
talk
sure.
like simple things, you know. This is my homie. Always
real
when I
shit.
need talk,
Real
I
shit.
can't talk to him, man. Bro, guys, you talk. I think he enjoyed this content, but this content is gonna come back to back. We're gonna
Back to
talk
back,
about.
back to
We have a
back,
lot of things
back
to
to
talk.
back to back.
Because I've been in less not talk to him, but I'm come back to talk to him, man.
Let's go.
Ndamufise ubu tugiye kuza tuganira ibintu byinshi, so muze mutura mugire subscribe, sharing, so n'abajama benshi tuza tubaha ibintu biri vibe, ibintu biri sarade.
Sarade,
Harimo
sarade.
peti y'umujama yitwa bamwitwa Keve. Kunda kuvuga ngo ibintu ni sarade.
Shout out to Kevin.
Shout out to Kevin, bro.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, for sure, man. Yo, shout out to guys who watching me, man. You watch African King with Antonia, my brother.
Yeah,
I hope you enjoy with this moment,
appreciate
man.
you for sure.
And if there's anything you wanna put it out there, man, put in the comment. Let's hear watching your side.
Your
think,
thoughts.
man.
Let's hear
Yeah,
it.
let it talk. Yeah, we shall kuri comment amutubwira ico uvyumvise hama nimba ari kindi kintu twokongera muri next time. But twe tuza tuvuga ko tuvyumva mbese. Ntituzovuga uko uvyo wowe uvyumva kuko ufise uko wowe uvyumva, twe tuzovuga uko uvyumva. So we good, we cool. We win, man. Shout out to the people, man. Hara. Shout out to the behind the camera. He was Nzai was a behind the
Shout out
camera.
to
Shout out
Nzai
the
for
people.
sure.
Hera.
Yeah.
Ra.